Okay, goodbye Mandala Resort. We're checking out right now. Got all our stuff packed. On our way to the airport.
That's 5 minutes lang. Hello. Okay, so from the Mandala Hotel, we rode e-trike that cost us 150 pesos, and that's only 5 minutes, right? So to go to the airport, we have to go to Tambisaan Port. And
this is Tambisaan Port?
Yeah. So there's two ticketing booths. So you guys don't be confused. That is for residents. This side is for tourists. So we're gonna go on this side.
Okay.
230.
460 lang. 460 lang.
How much should I give you?
10.
It's okay, just take this.
Ay, thank you.
Thank you po. Okay, so we have to fill this in. 820. Kuya.
Dalawa?
Yes.
Sa taas mama.
Saan kuya?
Huwag mong iwala ito mo.
Okay. Saan po?
Yan ang daan yan. Sunod lang yan sa mga kasama.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. So that's the ticketing thing. Okay, so that's the ticketing booth for the tourist. Do you know where to go?
Sky na bang paskrap ma'am dyan sa taas?
Ah, yung building sky. Okay.
Morning.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. So we're here waiting for a tricycle now. So for 2 people to get to the airport, it's less than $10 US. Probably like $6 or $7. Salamat kuya. Philippines? Boracay Airport. Boarding pass ready on our phones. Multi-purpose cooperative. We need our passports out?
No.
You have my passport still?
Huh?
You have my passport?
I lost it.
It's nice and cool in this room. Let's just stay here. Cold for you?
No. Recording?
Good morning.
Got our boarding
For all Cebu Pacific passengers IDs ready for
So we gotta go through here.
Once again, to all Cebu Pacific.
Hey guys, nandito na kami sa gate 2. Waiting na lang kami ng boarding. So we will board at 8:30. And yeah, we're just waiting. Going home.
Finally, getting attacked by mosquitoes here. 4 days, 3 nights is enough of Boracay for me.
Not for me.
It's enough for me. Let's go home.
Number 31.
31?
Please take your assigned seat now with your seatbelt fastened.
Yeah, going back to Manila.
We're excited.
Cabin crew doors to arm and close
Yes,
check.
finally.
Did I use this?
Use it. Not yet though, because they'll tell you to put it up when the plane is taking off. Kim loves the window.
I'm looking for a dangerous spirit for.
Oh.
Yeah.
これが彼の心の中。なんという美しさ。
So I just want to say that these are the best airplane snacks I think I've ever had. American Airlines have nasty crackers with no flavor. They need to get green peas with dried mango.
La Mesa Filipina.
Good Filipino snack. Yay, we made it!
Back to Manila.
So now we gotta get a grab back to our house in Tondo. Manila humidity.
You like it?
I guess. Made it back. Fishies. Yummy. Oh. Let's go see upstairs. What are you cooking, Faye? Spaghetti. Joy, you can sing? Why are you shy? Stop it. This is how the top of our house looks. Very high up. I think the Tutubon is that way. Let's go back down, eat lunch.